All right, welcome back to another video over here at NJ Truck King. We already got somebody beeping out here in this New Jersey traffic, you know the deal. Went from 80 degrees last week to in the 40s this week. A little recap of what we got going on. Today is Wednesday. We had a bunch of units sell this week. This sand TRX, this orange TRX, both sold yesterday. The green 6-door sold. This Ram, I believe, is sold. And we have a potential buyer of this 6.5-door. We went out yesterday and did some refresh pictures of a couple different trucks on inventory, including this cat-eye dually, this crew cab OBS. So this thing has a red interior, very, very nice. We were out with this Grand National. We had this Hellcat out this week. We had a couple other trucks as well. I'll try to throw as much as I can into this so you guys can get a glimpse of what we had going on. It was just very busy, so we didn't film too much. Heading out to get some videos and photos of this nasty Hellcat. Like I said, this last week, ever since Friday, has been super busy. We sold a ton of units. I'll do a little rundown of which ones were sold in the last couple days. This 3rd gen here sold. This 3rd gen dually sold. This 4th gen sold. This OBS here sold. This sand color TRX sold. This orange TRX on JTX is sold, along with this green 6-door. And like I said earlier, I believe that we do have a buyer for the black 6-door as well. Oh, this 3rd gen also sold. I am pretty sure I'm also missing, I'm missing 1st gen dually that we sold. I think it might be inside. I'll go take a look. All right, we're about to head out for some rollers and some new pictures, a couple different things. We've had transporters in and out all day long, picking up some stuff that has sold this week. Taking this Argon out, this Marsh Gray, this 1500, and the Caddy. This thing is so sick, dude. Yeah, it's easier to back it up, huh, Rick? Big Rick. Big Rick in the dually truck.
Big dually Rick. EDR. EDR. I just wanted to remind everybody that we started consignment about a month ago. It's been going very well. If you are looking, it needs to be a vehicle that we sell.
All right, it has been a minute since I filmed for the YouTube channel. I got a couple more units that were sold. I will include them in right now. This gold Super Duty is now sold. This white LBZ Cat Eye is now sold. This is the first gen dually I talked about earlier in the video. This one sold. This OBS here is now sold. Both of these LBZs just sold. Tomorrow we have the winner of Sunset and the winner of the Grand National coming in to pick them up. All right, this is gonna wrap up this week's video. We are going to jump into the next video of the giveaway winners picking up their vehicles. And there's a pretty cool twist that goes on between them. And you're gonna have to stay tuned and check that out in the next video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and give us a comment on what you wanna see next. And we'll keep you up to date on what we got going on here.